high wind watch from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Eastern Bergen, Eastern Essex, Eastern Passaic, Eastern Union, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Western Passaic, and Western Union. In Orange, New York, the National Weather Service in Upton has issued a high wind watch, which is in effect from Saturday afternoon through Saturday evening. Winds, west 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing, Saturday afternoon and evening. Impacts, strong winds may blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are possible. A high wind watch means there is the potential for a hazardous high wind event. Sustained winds of at least 40 miles per hour, or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger may occur. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. At 9 a.m.